What we do know a lot about is the Ketoret. Why? Because we read about the Ketoret every single day. In our prayer, there are segments of this week's parasha in our prayer that we read every day. And in fact, reading the Ketoret for each day is a extraordinary Segulah for Parnasa. Rav Zavichi Shichyeh wrote a huge book, over 700 pages, about the different benefits of reading the Ketoret. Many Chachamim actually said you should read it from a klaf, from a parchment. We got a few of them for a couple of students that asked us to get it from them from Eretz Yisrael. It's something that they read from instead of reading from the Siddur, and this certainly is something that can help. But the point is that this Ketoret is something that we know a lot about because we read it every single day, and we know there's rules. You're not allowed to remake the Ketoret. You're not allowed to, actually combine all of these things in the same way that Moshe Rabbeinu did. But nonetheless, we know that the Ketoret itself has many lessons in it.